Okay, this is lesson 18, level 6 in Code.org's Discoveries Unit 3. And here it says, make a prediction before you can run the program. All right, so one advantage to using the velocity blocks inside conditionals, which is what we just did, if blocks, is that your sprite keeps moving even after the condition stops being true. For example, you only had to press that key once in order to start the color wheel spinning, and it kept spinning forever. The code below uses if statements to make a fish sprite move in different directions. So let's look at the if statements that check a sprite's position and its velocity. Discuss what we think the code will do and write your answer below. Then run the code. So we have fish animation, velocity x2, fish r. Background, if fish is less than 0, fish r, velocity 2. If fish is greater than 400, so if it's less than 0, meaning over here, it's going to be fish r. If it's greater than 400, it's going to be fish l. So if it's less than 0, that means it's over here. It's going to be fish L, or fish R rather, means it's going here. And then if it's greater than 400, it's going to be fish L, meaning it's going to go over here. Interesting. So I think that means this fish is going to be going back and forth. It'll be swimming back and forth. Short and sweet. Let's run this. There's greater than 400 now. Oops, and then it goes back to fish L. And see if it goes back to fish R. And it does. There we go. I like it. I like it. All right. Thanks for watching. Please send me questions if you don't understand.